Hello, this is Syed Rejanul Haq Nabil from the channel Tech Mechanism. Today I have got here a Adafruit thermal printer and I have connected this printer with a ESP32. You can also connect this printer with Arduino, any kind of Arduino or any other microcontroller. It's basically support UART communication and it support both 5 volt and 3.3 volt connection. So as you can see here, first we will print a sample with this ESP32. Then we see what inside of this thermal printer to reveal its mechanism. So now I am pressing reset. So here we can see a print, a sample print is coming out. I will link the code of this project in the description. It's basically the code from Adafruit thermal printer library. Very simple. I have done nothing special here, just to demonstrate this sample code. So somehow the printing quality is not good here. Maybe because of the paper quality or any other thing, but I am not sure. But this doesn't matter for the time being. So I am operating this printer with 8 volt from a separate power supply. So you can see this is the power supply. Okay, this is very important because this printer is very power hungry. So now I will show what inside of this printer. So now I disconnecting the power. Okay, so here's the printer. So this is the paper, and here is a special mechanism for thermal printing. Inside of this, there is a motor. Here you can see an LED. So now the fun part is here. So this is basically, as you can see, the switch. Here is a microcontroller. This is a microcontroller. I already searched in internet what is the model of this microcontroller, and I found here is LPC. This is LPC 1110 microcontroller, which is a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M0 microcontroller and up to 64 kilobyte of flash and 8 kilobyte of SRAM. And this is actually another memory. So the model number of this memory is actually okay, I will find out. So this is actually a flash memory with dual and quad SPI, which is serial, and this is 16 megabit of flash memory, winbond. The model is winbond. So W225Q16 here is the model, and this is actually a motor driver which actually drives the internal motor. The motor, this motor driver model is A3906, which is a low voltage stepper and single/dual DC motor driver. So now we are clear that how this operate. I mean, this is the main microcontroller. This is the motor driver for printing, and all the logic running is here. Here I can see a small IC. Maybe this is just a voltage regulator. So, and this is RX TX, and the main power. It support up to 9 volt, 5 to 9 volt, what I have seen in the data sheet. So what I can see observe is, if you give 5 volt, it's not actually work so good. So at least 7 volt I would recommend. And in the left, in the beneath of this circuit, actually nothing special here, but I can't tear down the whole this bottom part, because this is working. This is for a project, so I can't tear down all the thing. So I hope you guys understand how what is inside of this thermal printer. Thank you very much for being with us.